Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Philip and today I will talk about tech hygiene. I know this is not the most funniest and interesting topic, but on the other hand, during the COVID and this pandemic situations, the bacteria and viruses are everywhere around us or on our daily products like on my ring, Apple Watch, my iPhone, iPads, Macs, and of course my glasses, keys, and many other things and stuff and daily uses stuff. And I think it's necessary to talk about tech hygiene. And yeah, today I will show you some my personal tips and tricks. And of course I have some interesting products like UV sanitizer or some cleaning wipes and other techniques. Is it interesting for you? Let's go! At first, I will talk about Moshi Deep Purple UV Sanitizer. Deep Purple is a folding UV sanitizer which cleans a full 360 degree in just 4 minutes to remove some germs, bacteria and virus from the personal items like, for example, Apple Watch, my ring, or just items that you touch every day. The Moshi Deep Purple, it's very thin and very portable. It folds to only 2 centimeters too thick, you just see it, and can be powered by a wall charger. There is a USB-C to USB cable, and or you have to charge or portable battery, so you can use it at home, outdoors, on the road, and anywhere in between. I really like this origami inspired design because if you just watching, now this is the magnetic and here is the inside of the box and this is the like magic click, 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 and that's it. This is the UV sanitizer from Moshi. You see, you have a box and just pull the cable. On the other side there is the USB-C connector and plug in to charger. Once again, yeah, that's it. Now you see the light control, the sanitizer, it's ready, and I just open it, my Apple Watch, and click, and process starts totally automatic. It takes long, just only 4 minutes. And that's it. If you see the LED control panel, the process is over. You can turn your device, just unplugged from source and USB-C cable, and just that's it. That's done. This is the UV sanitizer from Moshi. I think the main goal is the UVC light is a safe, effective and chemical-free method of neutralizing potential sources like of contamination, and unlike traditional UVC lamps, the LEDs used in Deep Purple are long-lasting, active instantly, mercury-free, and do not degrade over time. And I think it's very important. After that, I just use the TeraGlove. It's a wipe from Moshi, and you have 2 sides, and just cleaning my watch from dust or some another and it's working. The Moshi TeraGlove is double side. Use the black microfiber side with a light spray of water to wipe away fingerprints, like for example on my iPad. I just turn it down and okay, and For this process, I really liked and recommendation the WHOOSH. I think it's the amazing and the best spray for every technology device. And after that I use the side back and clean my iPad mini. And after that I use the great side for dust and lint removal. I really like the handy finger pocket, helps you get a better grip on the cloth while cleaning and making it perfect for longer screens like iPad, laptops, or very popular car displays or my Apple Watch. And this is my very simple cleaning process with UV Sanitizer from Moshi, TeraGlove kit and WHOOSH. Yeah, and that's it. I think it was very easy, like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think the cleaning your products, daily products, it's very important. And yeah, if you want Moshi UV Sanitizer or TeraGlove kit or WHOOSH spray and wipes, I put some links and comments down below. If you have some comments or some feedbacks for me and for my channel, I will appreciate it. Just the description and write it down below. And yeah, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.